Welcome to MathGPT. In this video, we will carefully answer a common business question about currency exposure. The question is, which currencies are not involved in affecting the revenues your company receives on shipments of action cameras and UAV drones to buyers in the four geographic regions where it does business? We'll go step by step, and we will finish with a short recap. First, let's organize the four regions where the company sells. We will map each region to the currency that buyers use to pay. Once we do that, we can compare with a list of currency options and identify which ones are not involved at all. Now, here's the key idea. Revenue is affected by the currencies that buyers use to pay. If buyers in a region pay in a particular currency, then changes in that currency will affect your revenue when you convert it back to your reporting currency. So we only care about the currencies shown in the table: US dollars, euros, Japanese yen, and Brazilian reals. Next, let's list some currency options and decide which ones are not involved. We'll use these options: US dollar, euro, Japanese yen, Brazilian real, British pound, and Swiss franc. Let's compare. The table shows the currencies involved in revenue: US dollar, euro, Japanese yen, and Brazilian real. So those four are involved, which means they are not the answer. That leaves British pound and Swiss franc as the currencies that are not involved. We'll highlight British pound and Swiss franc. Let's summarize. Revenue is affected only by currencies used by buyers in the four regions. Our regions use US dollar, euro, Japanese yen, and Brazilian real. Therefore, the currencies not involved are British pound and Swiss franc. So the final answer is GBP and CHF. Recap: identify the buyer currency in each region, then eliminate all those currencies from the options. Whatever remains is not involved in affecting revenue. This method is simple and reliable for any similar question.